Take it away, feeling too good to me.
Previously
all day,
recorded.
all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you.
Okay, so the mirror situation. The mirror was up here. I hate that mirror, y'all. And so I covered it up with this mirror. But I'm using the command strips to hold it up there. But for some reason, it don't work anymore. So the mirror came down. I didn't get rid of it. I just keep it right here in this corner so I can find another way of hanging me a mirror, because I hate my mirror that's up there. But this is behind the door. All right, now let's change it out.
You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, 'cause we the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you?
Alright, so this is what I got so far. Ooh, those is uneven. I decided to just go back with my little stars or whatever because I didn't even think about what I was going to use to tie back my curtains and my towels and stuff. So yeah, I went back with that, and I'm gonna put something on top of my toilet. I'm gonna put my towels back up there, but this is what I got so far. Not done. So the next clip, I think I'm gonna be done because when I put my curtains up, it's gonna make it darker. So ain't no need of me trying to even record no more after this. So the next clip, I'm gonna be finished.
You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Later clock, body talk, there's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better.